Terry from Warman Autoworks here. Here's a Jeep Comanche that I've been putting a quarter panel in. Butt welded a hatch panel in this and a bedside. It's the only way we could get parts for it. It was rusted. Anyway, people always ask how much to do a vehicle. Well, it's very tough to, we don't give estimates because situations like this. When you think you can just go over the product that's there because it's supposed to be a quality product, well, that's not possible because it's just peeling off. So our top coats would release and could not be trusted. So now we've got more time in stripping this little bedside than what was planned in order to do it right. So just a very small example of why these jobs take so much work, so much time and aggravation. So, you know, it might stick good some places, other places it might not. And that one spot that doesn't stick well, that's the one that's going to bite you. And here at Warman Autoworks, we don't do things the wrong way. We do them right the first time. Terry Warman, over and out.